I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what you need and starting the extractor. Connect the device and make sure USB debugging or boot mode is active. You want a stable link. Open Cm2, verify driver's load, and point the tool to the device model. Once done, load the original firmware and select the MDM extractor module in Cm2. You do this now to capture required headers and partition maps. Without them, the conversion will fail. Proceed only when the device is stable and backups are complete. You now extract the MDM data and perform the conversion steps. Start a raw dump of the MDM partition, monitor progress, and check the resulting checksum to confirm integrity. Then open Cm2 Convert dialog, choose Input MDM Dump and target Cm2 profile, and set offsets to match the device map. Once done, fix header fields and file permissions so the Cm2 image is bootable. Use the tool's preview to validate structure. This avoids flashing corrupt images later and preserves device stability. You complete the process by flashing and verifying the converted file. Load the Cm2 image into Cm2 Flasher, select Safe or Slow mode if connection is flaky, and start flashing while watching logs. Once the device boots, confirm network services and that MDM controls are removed or reconfigured as intended. If it doesn't boot, stop. Don't force another flash. A key troubleshooting tip: recheck the dump and conversion checksums, confirm offsets and headers match the device, and reinstall driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.